In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a PowerPoint slide to A4. Let's jump right in and get started, because before you know it, you'll be all set to create slides that perfectly fit your needs. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. It's your starting point for everything you'll need to achieve today. Whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac, launch the application just like you normally would. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. This could be a new presentation you've just started, or perhaps one you've been developing for a while. The key here is to have it open and ready for you to make changes. Now, with your presentation open, look towards the upper area of your screen. You'll want to focus on the Design tab, which you should be able to locate along the top bar where all your options like Home and Insert are featured. Click on the Design tab to access a range of customizable features designed specifically to make your slides stand out. In the Design tab, direct your attention to the right side. You should see an option named Slide Size. This is what will allow you to tell PowerPoint exactly how you want your slides to look physically. Click on Slide Size to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will offer a variety of preset dimensions, but for today's task, we'll need to choose a more specific option. From this drop-down, select Custom Slide Size. Clicking this will bring up a dialog box with multiple options for personalizing the dimensions of your slides, catering to what you need. Here you'll find the ability to select the A4 size, which is our objective. Locate the first drop-down menu from the top and click it to see a list of potential slide sizes. From the drop-down list, choose A4. A4 is a standard paper size used across the world, especially ideal for documents that you plan to print or distribute in hard copy. By selecting A4, you ensure that your slides will fit perfectly onto this paper size, ensuring clarity and consistency. Lastly, confirm your changes by clicking OK. This final step is crucial as it saves and applies the new size to your entire presentation. With just that click, you'll have successfully changed your PowerPoint slide to A4, making it more versatile for your needs. And there you have it, a quick, effective way to adjust your slide size in PowerPoint. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Now you're ready to take on any project with the right tools in your back pocket. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.